valuable estate planning tool is a trust. People don't understand oftentimes what a trust actually is, but simply put, a trust is a living document that allows you to make choices about the disposition of your assets upon your death. And it continues on beyond your death so that someone that you designate as the trustee follows the wishes that you've expressed in your trust document. I equate a trust document to having an empty wastebasket. The wastebasket has nothing unless I put something in it. So when people approach a lawyer and ask for a trust and the document is finally created, it basically becomes that empty basket. It has no legal effect unless I put my assets in it. Common assets that go into trust are real estate that people own. That could be your house, that could be vacant land, that could be a second home, that could be a commercial building that you own, that could be a rental property. But you have to put it into the trust, put it into that basket, in other words, and that's done through a transfer by way of deed. So you own it, but you're going to now transfer it so that your trust owns it. That's all fine and well because you're going to be designated as the trustee of your trust during your lifetime, so you have full control over those assets even though they're now technically held in the name of your trust. Other things that are put into a trust would be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and investments, in other words, can be retitled into your trust name. Oftentimes people will put bank accounts and retitle those in their trust name, or they'll make their accounts or their retirement plans to have the trust as the beneficiary so that at time of death, those assets are paid into the trust to be then dispersed according to your wishes as to who's to get those assets. But a trust is not for everyone. For most people that have a very simple amount of assets in their life, I don't recommend trust. There's other ways around making sure that those assets get out to the people that you want them to have at the time of death. So trusts are great for certain situations, but I certainly would not recommend that to everybody. It's important that you speak with a lawyer. At Reynolds Gold, we offer that free conference to be able to educate you about what's appropriate, and it may be a trust.